trying, every time I'm trying to stretch it because the side is really tight.
Yeah, she's been going to PT.
I went to PT for a while. Insurance won't even cover it anymore. I wasn't done.
I was about to say, was it work related maybe?
So what happened was I've been in 2 car accidents over the last 10 years. Not even 10, it's been like 8. And so I had one in 2000 and, what was that, about 13? And then another one in 2018. And both of them messed with me. The first one I got whiplash and had some neck and shoulder issues that never got treated and never got better. And then this last one in 2018 just exacerbated it. So I've been having a lot of issues with my neck and shoulders. It was while I was at the therapy connection. I had that second one, 2018, in March. But I never fully recovered. I went to physical therapy and I went to chiropractic and everything. And still, it made me get that, what's that, tension release device where you put your head in the sling or it's hung around the door.
Oh, okay.
And then the other one you puff up when you put your neck in and you puff it up. You don't believe in those?
Not the one that puffs up. So I'm like, wait a minute. If they made it better, it would probably be nice. Because it's a good idea. But I find that they suffocate you or choke you more than traction
anything else, right?
Because they're supposed to blow up to where your neck gets, elevated.
Elongated, but it has to go out too.
Right, so it's like constricted. So I'm like, you guys can make this better to where it moves it. But that's why they have the door one, so then you put your head in it and then you sit forward or lean down or sit in the chair and it pulls your neck up. So those are the kind of better ones, but those are expensive.
Just don't slip.
Really? I went and got a cheap one from Amazon because they have the whole device and then they have the take-home ones that are like $20. So I have
an accidental hanging. That sounds like an accident waiting to happen.
I put the do not disturb sign on the door and close the door and put my head in the cradle.
Someone disturbed it.
It's only Charles, and I always tell him first, like, I'm going in the room to do my neck and don't open the door. Not something. I've been trying everything and nothing works. What would you advise?
Oh, I hear you. I get really stripped down your neck if you really want me to, but it's gonna be painful. But in a good way, it's like a good hurt. I would never hurt you to be like, oh, let me just do this. Because I know a lot of doctors. I know a lot of doctors and chiros that we're just practice dummies for them. Like they don't care if they hurt it because then that's how they get promoted. That's how they get different money and stuff like that. It's trial and error. You're the guinea pig.
You're right.
So they can use you. But for me, I'm doing it more so you can actually heal. And it, like I said, it's gonna be painful, but it's gonna be a good pain. It's like, oh shit, I need that. It's gonna be a good hurt. That's such a word.
No, you're right. A good hurt.
That's what deep tissue is for me.
Some good hurt.
It hurts so good. There we go.
That's too much on the pelvic bone.
Okay, well, think of those flexi cells.
Too much on the kneecap. A little bit. I know. Because it's right at the joint, and the ligament right here. I'm just softening
And because they have all the surgery, the nerves, it feels weird to me. Like when you touch it, some places it's ticklish and places it's not.
Yeah, I know how much a knee can take. Think about it, it's holding our whole body weight. Like I'm heavy on top, and the knee is literally nothing but ligament. There's really no muscle in it. On the backside, there is this plantaris, and then there's one more. It's a little tiny one. I can't. Anyway, there's really only those two. They're on the backside, but they're so tiny.
Wow.
Yeah, they only help you plant your foot down, or take a knee. Plantaris, anything that plants your plantaris allows your knee to stay flexible when you're in a bent position.
Wow.
Yeah, there is no other muscles. There's just all ligaments. Because your quads, they end, but then they ligament to here, ligament to here, and then PCL back, ligament, posterior cruciate ligament. Then you have your MCL, your LCL, and then your ACL. Interior ligament, lateral, and then medial. And so the vastus intermedius, biceps femoris, vastus lataris, medialis. They all just connect to your kneecap. Then from here on up, you have your tibialis anterior muscle, fibula. It's all connected. IT band connects in here as well. All your common peroneals, your extensor muscles from the side, kneecap, soleus on this side, kneecap, medial side. So really there's no muscle on our kneecap, but they do so much work. They hold everything. It's like, it's really
everything
ridiculous.
together. It's crazy.
Wow.
Same thing for our ankles. We really have no, there's, what ankle muscle do you name?
Oh,
I
that's
don't
so
know.
true.
It's just ligaments. Yeah, and they're all connected to your lower leg and they all connect to the kneecap. It's crazy how it works.
Legs are crazy.
So that's when accident is such a huge accident or injury. Yeah, it kind of is career ending.
Yeah.
Man, even for it to heal properly, it will never go back 100%. No injury for knees, back, ankles, cervical. They don't heal at 100%. We're not there yet. One day we will be, but not now. So even if you repair them, they're probably at 80%. They'll still be a good athlete, just not as great as they
As great
could.
as you were before. Dang.
That's right. It is. It is. A lot
Yeah,
of careers.
broken. I'm like,
We gotta
No.
We gotta hurry. No.
Look,
We're
look
gonna
at
hurry
me.
this up.
Look at me. Look at me, man. Look at me. Look at me. What else am I gonna do? If we go home, it's gonna hurt. No, I'm stretching because y'all are stretching. Take your time. I'm not in any kind of rush. And my neck doesn't hurt any more than it usually does. But this is motivating me to stretch so it'll feel better.
Yeah, there you go. And when you come, that's
I'm
what
happy to be here talking with y'all.
and that's what the couples class is going to be about. It's like we're going to stretch. You'll be very, very special. Wow, okay, I didn't know I could go home. Like, yeah, you have a partner. They can just put their weight on you and just link. You will be surprised how you wake up next morning like, wow, I feel better. Like, yeah, just pressure. Just pressure.
I just need to find me a partner. Stretch. That's the hard part. Not the stretching.
Because even if you're dating somebody right, they're not going to really. Yeah, it is hot. Right.
All the people make me massage him. I'm the worst massager I've ever been.
She is.
I'm really bad.
See, that's the
I be trying so hard, but I'm really bad. I be feeling so bad, like, why do I suck so bad?
You gotta feel it.
And women are the greatest at anything. I think you guys just touch us and we melt. We're like 2 dogs. Like, yay, thank God. So you may think you're better, but no.
Oh, I'm pretty bad.
Okay.
Charlie tell you, he'd be like, don't even touch me.
Any pain on the knee?
Is it? No,
No pain. Okay, good.
Wow, surprisingly.
Oh, now the sun wants to come out. It was so cold. Were you outside
I
earlier
know,
today? It was
yes.
so
Yeah,
cold.
it
It
was
was
crazy.
snowing for like 20 minutes.
I know.
It was?
Yes. It was like sleet. Like, you know, the frozen rain that comes down. Yeah, icy rain is what it was.
Okay. Yeah, we didn't get that.
Yeah, it was bad.
Yeah.
The Ross house was cold. I was like, walking to the other house in the Silver Spring metro, I was like,
Oh,
yo.
yeah. Yeah, that's a cold walk. But it's fun, like, sometimes, yeah, it's cool, but, you know.
Well, I don't mind it because I'm a metro taker.
Oh, I love taking
You
the
spoil
metro.
No, when it's nice weather, yeah, I love it.
Oh, hush, you don't like taking it as much as me. You like, we could drive. No, we're taking the metro. I'm here for the metro all day long.
Pain, no pain? Nothing? Okay. You're still talking and you're alive. Because this will be killing most people, right?
Yeah.
Because it's the medial side of the kneecap. Medial side, you have more nerve and because remember everything is like pleasure zone and all that good. It is.
Mhm.
Or
It's true.
then it all ends kind of literally right here at the kneecap. All your veins and venules. Because remember the patella, it all thins out because it has to thin. You don't want really nerves on your kneecap because then you're really pain all the time.
Yeah.
And when your knee does have knee pain, it is a nerve, you know. Like, oh God, I can barely even walk, and you'll know. It sucks. But this hurts anybody, like right in here. But for whatever.
You know what? Usually it does, but I also am lacking a lot of sensation in that knee, just because of the surgery.
Really? You haven't been having good sensation in that knee since the surgery?
Oh, please sound like that. No, but no, I haven't.
What? That's crazy.
And everything feels, it feels weird. I know this feels good though, but I mean like touch in general, that is kind of gross.
That's crazy.
That hurt a little bit.
No. Not just that wow, I'm just like wow, this actually feels good. Usually I don't like people touching my knee.
Yeah, because it's so, like, even if I had an injury, I wouldn't trust most doctors at all. I'm like, I don't know you. You could actually destroy my kneecap. Because yeah, it's sort of like going to a chiropractor. There's only two that I actually really liked. Because the other ones I've ever had, it hurt. I'm like, wow, what the hell are you doing? Damn it. Jump on my back like you crazy. I forget her. Oh, Dr. Patel. She did it in a way where she didn't have to jump back. She just leaned her body weight into it, and then she said, "Take a deep breath in," and then she would, and it cracked. I'm like, she didn't jump. She just used her weight, and yeah, but she moved. And all good people who
The
do things,
chiropractor I used to work for, he's really good. He's Armenian, something, I don't know, something like that. But he's good. He was in Falls Church, East Falls Church, by the school, by the Northern Junior School. He's like right up the street from them. And he's really good.
Yeah, it's hard to find good practitioners in any field, any position. It's hard.
It's true. So Ronnie, I'm gonna have you help me fill out this application, and then you can be on your merry little way.
Okay. I'm gonna text Charles just so I have a time frame from him. He went to work late, so he probably won't be able to leave until late.
Oh yeah, so much true too. So we're going back to my house.
Yeah, we'll probably go back to your house so you can feed me.
Okay. Oh yeah. I will feed you. I'll make this application. I'm gonna pack. I got two
I will
things
gladly
to do.
help you for food.
Respond to those two emails and then you can do.
For food, for the price of food.
And this is just opening up somebody's hips. And if you take a big leap forward, so with the same leg, just step. You're not gonna hurt the client. And then just go a little further. It's almost like you're bending your body into their body or their foot. And if you're adding weight, you're stretching out their pubic symphysis, that cartilage basically, or hardened ligament or cartilage, either or, and it's so tight you want to loosen it up. So like I said before, when Van Damme or ballerinas, they can do that split with no problem, or when somebody's twerking and they hit the floor real quick and it's, and the booty, well, this is that ligament that opens so people can do stuff like that, because not everybody can be this flexible. So Morel, she's super flexible. So I just put weight just to open up even more. But just be careful, okay? And so you're just adding in hip rotations. And this is pretty much working on that kneecap, pushing forward, and it bends on the front side. Okay? Morel, you're wonderful.
Thank
Did
you.
it.
Are you still recording?
Oh yeah. I'm gonna do one
I
more
still
touch.
did.
All right. Wait, was this on the arm, or did I crush your arm last time?
No, you didn't.
Okay. Very good. Off to the side. Over there. stretch. People will be screaming in that position. That hurts people. I mean, I barely get a chance to do that position because they're always screaming. Like, Jesus. So when I was saying just pressure on somebody, if you have somebody at home, it doesn't even matter if it's a significant other or boyfriend or girlfriend. It could be mom, dad, cat, or dog. If they're heavy enough, or if they weigh at least more than 40 pounds, maybe 50, and up, then they're just putting weight and leaning forward. So you can do this off the table, or you can be on the table and walk up the person's hips. And the only reason why I'm twisting because it's easier for me to go to this side and put more pressure versus me going into the table. What I can, but just don't want to keep moving, decline. Like, wait a minute, what the hell is moving the table? That's how I hate when people do that to me sometimes. Because there's some therapists, they be like rocking. I'm like, wait a minute, slow down. And get way up into the headphones. It may hurt a little bit. Ask them to breathe. Deep breath in. But when you exhale, it allows the muscle to relax.